Winning streak.
You lost your winning streak. All right, so then maybe I'll go this time and see if there's any magic in me.
Okay.
Let's see. We still don't have a common panther.
Maybe we're never gonna get that one. Just like the common.
Yeah, the other commons that we're missing. I know. It's so crazy. They're common. You'd think you'd get them, you know? Ah, a common, but not the common that we needed. Although, what's the story? We only have one of her?
Yeah.
We do, right? Whoa! Number 53. That's super low.
Right.
That's one of the lowest I think we have, right? I think we have a He-Man that's 12. Right?
I still gotta get my...
We had a little bit of a technical difficulty and something happened with my browser, so that last video got cut off. But you guys saw we got that common sorceress with a super cool low number, 53. We were trying to see if I had any lower numbers, but we didn't get a chance because I had a technical issue on this end. So anyway, we're back with the next cube here tomorrow as always. And sorry about that abrupt ending.